In this video, we will explore the concept of data mesh. Data mesh is a decentralized approach to data architecture and domain-driven data ownership. It's designed to address the challenges that organizations face when dealing with large and complex data environments. Traditional data architectures often suffer from several problems. One of them is centralized bottlenecks, where a single data team becomes responsible for all data-related tasks, leading to delays and inefficiencies. Another challenge is tight coupling, where changes in one system can have cascading effects on multiple downstream systems, making it difficult to evolve and maintain the overall data infrastructure. Data mesh is a socio-technical approach to building a decentralized data architecture by leveraging domain-driven design. Data mesh is more than just a technology architecture. It encompasses organizational structure and culture. It's about empowering domain teams to take ownership of their data and treat it as a product. The data mesh paradigm is based on 4 key principles. The first principle is domain-oriented decentralized data ownership, where data is owned and managed by domain teams. The second principle is data as a product, which involves treating data as a valuable product with its own lifecycle and quality standards. The third principle is self-serve data infrastructure, providing platform capabilities for domain teams so they can easily access and use data. The fourth principle is federated computational governance, which focuses on automated governance policies to ensure data quality, security, and compliance across the organization. In a traditional data architecture, a central data team typically owns all data assets and pipelines. In contrast, with data mesh, domain teams own their data products end-to-end. This means that the teams closest to the data are responsible for its quality, accessibility, and usability. Data as a product means applying a product-thinking approach to data. Data should be discoverable, addressable, trustworthy, and valuable to its consumers. Discoverable means data should be easy to find and understand. Addressable refers to well-defined interfaces for accessing and using data. Trustworthy means data should be of high quality and reliability. In data mesh, a platform team provides infrastructure capabilities that domain teams can use independently. This self-serve data infrastructure platform provides tools and services that are ready to use data tools and managed services, empowering domain teams to manage their data products without relying on a central data team. It also includes monitoring with built-in observability and data quality monitoring to ensure data reliability and performance. Federated computational governance aims to strike a balance between centralized standards and decentralized execution through automated policies. This involves establishing global standards such as common policies for security, privacy, and compliance, while also implementing automated enforcement mechanisms where policies are embedded in the platform and tooling to ensure consistent application across the organization. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.